Hi and welcome to a new Preset Dreams video. In this video I will show you how to edit this blue tone urban preset in Lightroom Mobile. But before we start with the editing, I will show you a few amazing before and after pictures. Let's jump right into the editing process. Check out the description below where you can download this example picture. Now go to the Lights panel and open the tone curve. Now adjust the tone curve as good as possible like in the video to get a light faded look. Click on Done and go back to the Lights panel. Here we set the contrast to +20. Set the highlights to -34. Shadows to -17. The whites also to -17. And at last the blacks to +6. Close the Lights panel and go to the Color panel. Now go to the color grading. In shadows set the hue to 357. And the saturation to 7. Set the blending to 100 and the balance to -38. Swipe right to highlights and set the hue to 201. The saturation to 14. Now we are finished with the color grading. Click on Done and you will come back to the Color panel. Here we set the temperature to -14. Tint to -7. The vibrance to +5. And the saturation to -24. Now go to the color mix and adjust all colors step by step like in the video. Stop the video between the colors if it's necessary. When you finished all colors correctly, click on Done and close the color panel. At last, let us give this preset a little bit more clarity. Go to the Effects panel and set the clarity to positive 39. Wow! Look the difference between before and after. Is this cool or what? To save this preset, click on the three little dots in the upper right and click on Create Preset. Now give him a name, in this case Urban Blue. And save it to your preset library. Now we are finished. If you want to download this free Lightroom preset, check out the description below this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on so you don't miss any free presets what I am uploading weekly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.